Before we begin, the Even Strategy channel is getting lots of views and I'm so grateful. But folks are forgetting to subscribe. So if you are watching the channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can continue to follow along on all my adventures as I document my life. I can't wait to look back at videos and see my growth and of course know that you were there along the journey with me. So let's head back to the video.
Good morning. Oh, yes. No, I slept through. You said, okay? Yes. I nearly saw the two mosquitoes. Girl. I nearly saw they were behind here. Oh, damn you. Damn you. See if you see it, squish that damn thing. Cause I'm definitely been late. It didn't bite me till late last night. Oh. So she could easily create. Look at the hummingbird. Yeah. So she could easily create some reels. Yeah. It feels good out here. It was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. I was rushing. I done locked myself out with my Airbnb. What? Yeah. But he said, I told him, no, I don't lock myself out. Yes, it is. It's different. We're ready. We're ready. I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready for the beach. I did, but the thing is, no, I can say it because it's right, right. This dog is out here getting his life. He is playing. Yeah. Mounds of sea moss. Everywhere. Everywhere. She happy she got her Prosecco. Lord of mercy, God. I can't stand you. You better get this Prosecco. It's time for the wine. In a whole meeting, girl. Y'all, this is how you know you're an entrepreneur. You are an entrepreneur, okay? This is what we do. Okay. Put the bottle in the bucket. He's like, I don't know about that. I don't know. He's like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. This dog out here living his best life, okay? Woo! All the way over there. All the way over there. Celebration. Go, girl, go! Now, don't fall over now. We're not coming to get you. Yes. Get your workout on. Oh, there you go. Matachica. Right to them. You coming right to them. You wanna come? Yeah. That's what I like. Matachica. Oh. about to take some golf carts to the restaurante. Restaurante. Okay. You look good, girl. You look good. In the court. You look good in the court. Some scenery over here. Some sea. It's the greenery over here.
Yes.
Greenery in the St. March here.
It does look a little bit marshy, don't it?
The parents up there.
You going, boy?
The parents are right there.
Thank God I actually drove it.
Late night bar from 6 to 8.
Oh, yeah, so I found out. Baby, that's my stuff. Yes, if I bought it, please don't touch, keep looking up the stop sign. Walk it up at the same time. It's amazing on that man. Call you up, standing in the right yard, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about I'll never ever find a man like you. And you got me to say, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I could have an in a what? In a baby. That's what happens when you don't have a radio in your golf cart. You gonna be the radio.
For sale.
For sale.
Oh, the lot of land?
Yeah.
Oh. What is this one? Oh, wait,